Welcome to Chapter 8, Problem number 5. In this particular case, on page 250 of your book, you've done a sample of 100 Twitter users, of the more than 100 million Twitter users. And you are trying to come up with a 95% confidence that the mean spent on Twitter per day is between 15 and 57 minutes. And it's asking what is the meaning of this? So you take a sample of only 100 people, which is a very small percentage of the number of overall users, the population. And statistics, again, is very much based on doing samples. There's almost impossible to sample 100 million people, and especially in this case where Twitter users would be added and dropping off, it would be very difficult and very expensive. So you take a sample and you want to come up with the confidence interval. So what that means is the sample mean is going to be different than the population mean, but you're trying to get a sense of where the true population mean is from just taking a sample. And so in the interpretation of this means you are 95% sure, which means that 5% of the time you're going to be wrong, 2.5% below and 2.5% to the right, based on our normal distribution. So we're talking about the 95% in the middle, with again 2.5% below and 2.5% above. That 95% sure that the actual population, if we were to get a survey of all 100 million Twitter users, that the actual daily time spent is between 15 and 57 minutes. 2.5% chance it's less than 15 minutes, and a 2.5% chance it's above 57 minutes. So you're 95% sure that it's between 15 and 57. That's how you interpret the results.